Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's new. This time we talk about Beyond Music acquired copyright stake in BTS hit song Butter. Beyond Music, Asia leading music intellectual property investment and data management company, has acquired a copyright stake in Butter, the global hit song by the BTS. This idea was successfully made thanks to the support of Stephen Kirk, one of the songwriters of this song. With this new acquisition, the company has further commented and cemented its presence in the global music IP market by adding one of the K-pop most iconic tracks to its catalog. Butter is one of the BTS signature tracks and a defining and defining global K-pop anthem. Upon his release in May 2021, the song set multiple records, including the highest number of the YouTube views within 24 hours, the most streamed song in a single day on Spotify globally, earning a Guinness World Record and the entry into Spotify prestigious Billion Club, underscoring its lasting streaming mega success and global impact. And the Jinwoo Jo, CEO of Beyond Music, said the acquiring a copyright stake in BTS global hit Butter is a major step forward in our music IP investment and value up strategy. We will continue to expand our presence in the global market through strategic acquisition, profile diversification, and initiative monetization strategies, securing sustainable growth for years to come. This acquisition makes a significant milestone in Beyond Music global expansion and its ongoing mission to enhance the value of music IP. It also represents the beginning of broader initiative to honor and extend the musical legacies of Stephen Kirk and other would-renowned songwriters. By securing a stake in Butter, Beyond Music continue to strengthen its presence in the global music IP landscape, ensuring that both artist integrity and the sustainable investor remain at the core of its strategy. Beyond Music's first major acquisition took place in 2022 with the catalog of notable Canadian Grammy-winning producer-songwriter Greg Well. In 2024, the company also acquired the music catalog of internationally renowned Latin Grammy Award winner, singer and songwriter Yentl, including his publishing interest in royalties, his share of performance royalty, and his neighboring right royalty. Since its establishment in 2021, Beyond Music has consistently enhanced the value of music IP through optimized listing and value up strategic based on the proprietary data analysis system. To that and the date, the company has closed over 100 large-scale music IP acquisitions, both domestically and internationally, amassing a catalog of more than 35,000 copyright, including publishing and master rights, spanning from the 1990 in the present. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.